Guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sam. All right, so this video is specifically meant for those that are new into the crypto space. All right, so now this is why I think the future belongs to cryptocurrency and blockchain. Several years ago we started we started using trade by barter, and then gold came, and then we had metallic coins, and then paper money. As most of the world is still in this. Okay, yeah, most parts of the third world countries are still using the paper money, but some of them they've started using plastic cards, for payment. You see, you go to any hotel or to a restaurant, you can pay with your ATM card, right? So and then we have internet banking, but we are gradually moving into the cryptocurrency era, right? That's because the world is getting more technological, more advanced. You see, they started making driverless cars. Soon, we'll have driverless airplanes. We'll soon have driverless train stations. That is, if we don't have already. You see, so if we have driverless cars, why these driverless cars? It's not be too convenient for them to take paper money, right? This form of money. It's not be too convenient for them to take this to accept this kind of money. Rather, be more convenient to accept this kind of money, electronic kind of money, and that is where I think the future of money is going to get to. Now, why do I think this form of money will be way better than this form of money? Well, let's just go and see why. Now, this reason right here, right? So this is why I think cryptocurrency are the future kind of money. Now, the current system of money we have, which is fiat, the paper money, it's not guaranteed. It's not known. How will you know the total number of paper money you have in circulation? There's no way we can know. If the federal government decides to print $1 billion right now, or 1 billion naira for those in Nigeria, how are we going to know? There's no way we can know, right? But with cryptocurrency, and because of the help of blockchain technology, we can know the total and accurate number of Bitcoin that is currently available in the world. Right now, we have 17 million Bitcoin in circulation right now, and this is the total number of Bitcoin that will ever be produced. As you can see, it works with mathematics, right? Unlike fiat or paper money, it has an unknown amount of inflation. You see, the government can decide it anyhow, but this one works with mathematics, right? We know we can all see the should I don't want to use the word inflation rates. We can all see how it's being minted. You see, we can know that, okay, in the world right now we have 17 million Bitcoin, and we know the total number that will ever be produced, right? So it's transparent, it's open, is secured, it's just beautiful. It takes trust away from the government and banks into mathematics, right? So this is why I think the future of money belongs to these kinds of money. Please note, the blockchain technology is not just used um, for money purposes, to replace physical cash or fiat. It has lots of uses, right? If you go to CoinMarketCap, you see different cryptocurrencies. They represent different technologies, right? Different technology. For example, you can use Ethereum blockchain to build different decentralized applications, but they can be used in the banking sector, in the music industry, in whatever industry. The same thing with EOS too. EOS can also do what Ethereum can do, and I think and even more. Ripple is used by the banks. You see, banks, they use Ripple to process transactions, right? So they have use cases, right? And they don't use centralized database that all this centralized systems have. Now, blockchain is so important to the point that even Facebook is working on their own blockchain. Now, in case you're not aware, the Facebook that you know, the number one biggest social network, they are working on their own blockchain. And this is, if you go to Google, you can check it out. Like this news on the 10th of October 2018, which is this year, some months ago, what the Facebook crypto team could build. Then on the 8th of May, Facebook is launching a new team dedicated to the blockchain. Now, Facebook is launching, okay, that I've read that already. Facebook has a new director of engineering for blockchain, June 6th. Zuckerberg invests in blockchain to keep Facebook relevant. You see? Now, this just shows you that any business that doesn't migrate to blockchain might soon be out of business. Now, if Facebook is going into blockchain this year, that's to tell you that anybody that is prepared, that starts preparing now to learn about blockchain and cryptocurrency, will be ready when these big tech industries start looking for people to employ that have knowledge about blockchain. Right? So once opportunity meets preparation, boom, that is success. Right? So if Facebook is preparing, is launching their own blockchain, you should start preparing right now. Facebook is one of the most successful technology in the world. If they are preparing to start having their own blockchain, why are you not to prepare? Right? So in the future, every company, every known and successful company will end up using blockchain, right? Even the BlackBerry that we all think is dead, BlackBerry is coming out with their own blockchain kind of phone. All right, so this is just this month of October. That means the news is still very fresh. BlackBerry leverages blockchain to disrupt legacy healthcare. BlackBerry's new blockchain tools could boost security for medical IoT. BlackBerry to launch blockchain for medical data sharing. BlackBerry unveils blockchain partnership to support. You see, so BlackBerry is moving to the blockchain. BlackBerry is leveraging on the blockchain technology. BlackBerry will soon start using blockchain technology. Right? This was announced October this year. Right? So that's tell you that this is the year of introduction to blockchain. So if you're wise as a student, or maybe as a worker, maybe in any company, and your company hasn't started using blockchain or thinking about blockchain, you should start preparing yourself for that future by learning about blockchain right now. Blockchain can be applied in almost, if not all, sector of the economy or of the industry. So start preparing right now. Start preparing for the future. Start telling your kids about blockchain. I love what Lincoln Method is doing. They started teaching kids about blockchain. So in order to be fit in that future that is coming, you need to start preparing right now. So blockchain is the future. Cryptocurrency is the future of money. All right. So keep learning and keep sharing. Thank you.